Alright guys, what up? It's Killer Ace Gaming and Motovlogs here, doing a little update video on the series that we were going to call The Beast. So, not much has happened, but I did get 4 tires ordered. As you can see, there's a tread wear indicator right there. A new windshield was installed, so the crack is gone. As you can see, it's nice and clean. But wait, where is it? Look at that, it's already chipped. I paid $400 for Safelite to give me a windshield that was chipped. So, we honestly don't know if it was my end or their end, but they offered to replace it. Well, not replace it, but I think they're going to come out and fill it. Also, I had a new rim come in the mail that I was going to replace this one with, but someone came out on Facebook. These tires aren't as bad. These ones have a decent amount of tread left on them, but they're still getting replaced. Someone came out and posted on Amazon or Facebook Buy Sell Trade that they had 4 rims, which, I mean, they're not anywhere near perfect condition. As you can see, I kind of put the trunk cover in the back seat to hopefully try to keep the back seat clean. They posted that they wanted to sell their 4. They put a new one, well, new rims on theirs. I mean, as you can see, they're very heavily road rashed. Looks like some rust. But I think if I were to make these project rims, I mean, the tires are beyond bare. There's no saving the tires. But I'm either going to make these project rims, or I was going to make them snow tires. I mean, that's the one with the most amount of tread on it, and it's not good. That one's also flat. So that was that plan, was maybe not have a snow set of rims, but visually the car is the same. It's very clear with no tint on it. Again, the other front tire, you can see pretty bare, pretty bald. But just a quick update video, guys. I have a new rim at the house for the car, and that seems like that's going to be the plan, is to hopefully, I don't know if it will focus or not on the car better, but I'm hoping that that's all the car will need, is a little bit of tires. It spins out a lot when it's starting and going. So aside from the new tires, it has rims. I'll take a picture, maybe a little part of the video back at the house, of the other rim I have. And then I guess after rims, we're going to tint. So you guys can kind of see what it looks like. On the outside, you can see completely through the car like it's nothing. It actually doesn't look too bad with the auto glass that it came with, but door open. That's what it looks like to the outside. I mean, if any difference, there's barely any. Other window, rear window. And that's from the inside of the car. Passenger. Front windshield, kinda. From a driver's perspective. But overall, I think it's going to come along nicely. And I'm really looking forward to getting tires done next week, and then depending on how much my pay is and how much I have to take out in bills, I'm really hoping that I can just get the tint done next week too. Anyways, guys, that's all that I have. Oh yeah, but Safelite's supposed to come out Thursday and look at that chip, but I mean, they did a really good job on the rest of the windshield. I guess I forgot to mention before we go, it did get brand new wipers. It was their expensive version of the wipers, but if it was in the contour and fit the windshield better, which I think they do wipe really, really well. But yeah, so we got 5 minutes to tell you guys that I got 5 rims, but that rear one's probably getting thrown away or scrapped or something, so down to 8 rims. New tires. I was thinking about maybe getting the calipers cleaned up and painted, or going through and doing that myself finding out how I do that. But anyways guys, I guess that's the update video, and then I'm going to take some before or after pictures for the tint if I ever get that done. Alright guys, take it easy. So this is the rim that came in the mail. It looks kind of yellow due to the lighting, but when it's on the car it should look a lot better. But this was $170 off Amazon. This is going to be the one that replaces the dented one. It appears to be in decent condition. The front's a lot more shinier than I think the other rims will be, but should make a good replacement. Just do a quick 0 to 60 right here. Probably roll up just a little bit after this one car passes, and then we'll try the 0 to 60. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over. We're going to stop, no one behind me. At 0. And go. As you can see, it pulled 60. It pulled to the side because of the bad tires. So I'm really hoping that we can get that fixed when we get the new tires, and that it won't be so sloppy on the takeoffs. Alright, thanks.